Okay guys, I want humba or adobo, but I decided to make this way because I love vegetables. So this is Angel May Bisaya-American recipe. It's a unique recipe. So for today's vlog, magluluto ako ngayon ng humba. It's a Bisaya version, but I add a unique ingredients in this humba. So I marinated my pork hocks overnight. Looks like this. So I marinated with soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, and then a chunk of garlic. So, ang gagawin ko, magagamit ako ng, ito yung gagamitin ko. Yung instant pot, dito sa pressure cook na setting. So, hahaluan ko siya ng tomato. Ito yun. Ito yung tomato ko, tapos haluan ko ng potato also. Tapos yung favorite na onion ko, yung purple. At tapos pag naluto na siya, medyo tender, so ito yung fermented salted black beans na ihalo ko. By the way guys, reminders pala dito sa fermented salted black beans. Kailangan hugasan ng mabuti kasi maalat siya. Tapos, i-soak ninyo sa water in 15 minutes. So, yung humba ko guys is unique kasi lalagyan ko ng purple onion. Tapos may potato siya, yung red skin potato. And then tomato. And then the bell pepper. So, dito sa instant pot, yung liquid ko is a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, a 4th cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 4 cloves of garlic, and 2 pieces of bay leaves. And I add also another 2 cups of water. And now the next step is the marinated pork hocks. Ilalagay ko dito sa ibabaw para yung meat, ayaw ko kasi yung meat na pulling apart. Yung gusto ko malambot yung skin niya. para masarap. So, tatakpan ko na. So, dito sa instant pot, yung setting na gagamitin namin is yung pressure cook. So, ilalagay ko siya sa 30 minutes start.
As you can see, the pressure indicator has gone down. The pressure has been released. It's time to take the top off.
So, i-check ko kung yung balat niya is malambot na. Can you hand me some pork, please? Check. Oh, very tender. Look at that. The skin is moving. So, that's perfect. Okay, it's time to add my vegetables. And then I'm gonna use satay for another 20 minutes for high setting. And then I'm gonna add my fermented salted black beans. Mix well. So I'm using a regular cover for a satay setting. So I'm just gonna wait for 20 minutes. Okay, it's already start boiling. I have to adjust the setting into a low heat. Just press saute. There you go.